Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and it's time for my December layout update. Welcome back everybody. First of all, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates like this video. So now it's been a whole nother month. I've had some time off from work as well, and we're gonna take a look at what I have gotten done on the railroad this past month. It's getting cold. I've got the heater running here in the garage where the layout is. So let's take a look at what I've gotten done in the month of December. With winter in full swing, I've been getting a lot of work done on the scenery of the layout. The biggest noticeable thing on the layout has been the new bridge at the corner of the layout. I have been 3D printing the parts and slowly integrating it into the layout. I have also begun detailing the switching area of the layout. There's still a lot of work to go, but I do like the way that it's heading. Now there are still areas of the layout that I have not done anything to yet, but I'm going to start working on those areas soon. Now I already have a couple things lined up and ready for 2020. The biggest one is that Thursday videos are coming back. You guys voted and said you wanted to see more trains running, so I'm starting Train Time Thursdays. These are going to be simple videos of trains running around my layouts. Now there'll be some switching and some mainline action, but overall it's just trains running around my layout. Also, the first Arduino tutorial of 2020 is on its way in January. We are going to be building an Arduino reversing loop. That's just a preview of what's coming up in 2020. So that's what I've been up to on my layout this December. It's really coming along. I'm hoping to really have it functionally close to completion or complete by mid-spring of 2020. So the goal was definitely in sight and definitely achievable. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!